Hello, this is a video to test out how I could show to Privix users how to use Privix. As you know, well, the whole principle of Privix is to be based on roles. And those roles, you can see them from the very beginning when you click on the Monitor tab. Well, on the Settings tab, sorry. The roles are on the extreme left, and you can go on whatever role that you have and click here the list of the members and the list of the accesses. So it's very easy to see who is in the list, who has the roles, and then click, well, they have an access to which kind of machines. And here you have. So actually, the whole user interface of Privix, grossly said, can be summarized into a mix of always a role with the user and machines they have the right to access to. When you click here on directories, for example, you will see that the directory is a directory either of users or either of machines. You can see AWS Cognito, Fujitsu IDaaS, which is a list of users, Google Cloud, a series of servers or virtual machines, local hosts, local users, OpenID users, Prefix Test Domain, Active Directory users, LDAP users, and other kind of either virtual machines, either users, either hosts, either users, with the concept of role as backbone. How to deploy actually Privix? Well, that is one of the questions that you will ask me. Well, it's quite straightforward. When you see the deployment of the SSH connections within Privix, you will see that actually it's all, and for RDP, it's also the same. It's the same principle. It's recognizing Privix as being the certificate authenticator. You see here, and then, well, setting the list of users, here in this case, NQX user or Privix local admin user, as a user who has the right to access that machine. It can be one, it's maybe easier to do so. Here it is one user, but on the same machine, you can have three types of different users that can have an access to those machines. SSH user, Team B admin, and test role, for example. Well, you copy these roles and you install them on all those machines. This is manual, actually. This is a manual configuration for a few servers or a few hosts. It can work, but the best, of course, is to use a configuration automation tool just like Chef or Ansible. And if you want to deploy Privix quite easily and quite rapidly on your environment, you will see that using these configuration tools together with Privix is actually the best complementarity, the best solution that you can imagine for installing Privix and enjoying it. If you have any question, well, please do not hesitate to contact me. Ifik de Smale, you will find easily my data, Googling my first name and my last name, and you put LinkedIn after that, and then you will find my profile, and you will be able to directly have a contact with me. Either you send me an email on ifik.desmale@ssh.com. I thank you very much.